Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the AceClip Pro open ear earbuds. But make sure you stay locked into the end of the video because we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're also going to be doing a mic test. We're going to be testing out the drivers. We're also going to be testing out the sound quality and seeing if these are worthy when it comes to your hard-earned money. And so yeah, these definitely have some notable features that make the AceClip Pro worth buying that I'm going to talk about in this video. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So one of the main things that you're going to notice is that these do come in 3 different colors. You're going to be able to choose from the black, the cream, or even the white color. Oh yeah, so AceFit does have a special promotion on these, and so you're going to be able to pick them up from the $39.42 that they originally priced at. I'll leave the coupon price down below, but with the 5% addition off, you're going to be able to snag these for around $30. But yeah, you don't want to miss this one, so make sure you stay locked in. If you're brand new, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, welcome back, crew. So yeah, starting out with the unboxing, you're going to be getting the short Type-C cable, the user manual, and you're also going to be getting your AceFit charging case, which was surprisingly lightweight and snug in the hand. One of the things that surprised me about the charging case is that it was super lightweight, and it actually looked like a macaron, which kind of made me hungry when I saw it. But yeah, on a serious note though, the case is actually very sturdy, and it's going to offer you 28 hours of additional playtime, and the earphones themselves are actually going to give you 7 hours when you actually use them individually. So one of the cool things is that the app is downloadable for the Play Store as well as the App Store, and so you can use this with Android or iPhones, and so it's pretty cool because it's actually free of charge to download, and it doesn't require an account when you first get started. So the app is pretty cool because it does give you the ability to change the button settings. You get double click and you get triple click, but you don't get long press and you don't get single press. And that's because when it comes to the touch control, you're actually getting the full surface control. So basically anywhere on the surface of the earbuds, when you touch it, it's going to give you full surface click operation. So essentially this is to prevent false touches when you actually have only the double press and the triple press option. And essentially, so when you take the earphones out of the case, there is a sound function that you can turn off or on using the settings in the app. And so one of the things I noticed is that every time I took the earphones out of the case, I did hear that click operation go off, and it was actually nearly impossible to prevent that from happening. So we do essentially have 2 ways to control the headset, and that's through double clicking or triple pressing, and these 2 options will give you the ability to choose between any of the settings that you want, and you could actually turn them off altogether, which is cool, but you could only double click or triple click, and so that limits you to either track forward and back, a volume up and down, voice assistant, or pause, play, or the gaming option. Another helpful feature that AceFit added on here was the outdoor boost mode, which is helpful when you're in an outdoor environment and you just want to boost up the sound overall. And so I noticed when I turned that on, it sounded like the music got louder by like 3 times. And so yeah, that definitely helps when it comes to actually hearing the earphones in an outdoor environment. AceFit does claim that the outdoor boost gives you 40% less noise interference, as well as 3 times larger driver, so you can hear clearly outdoors. And so yeah, I did notice that it did enhance the overall listening experience outdoors, but just keep in mind that when you're indoors, the sound quality from what you're listening to will sound a little bit muddy. But I honestly think most people would be happy with the outdoor boost mode turned off or on. I did turn the original sound profile on, and it was very good. I did make some small changes to it, and I adjusted the EQ, and honestly the sound quality sounded amazing. I was able to game on here. There was a slight delay though, so it wasn't perfectly one-to-one with the game mode turned on. I did notice a little bit of lag when the gunshots went off, but for most people you wouldn't even notice, and honestly think these would be very good, especially for the price if your expectations weren't that high. Do me a quick solid. If you're still here, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me and rocking with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. And definitely hit that new hype button right after you hit the like button so this can get out to a wider audience. You can help more people get introduced to the ACEFAST AceClip Pro open earphones. These do have an algorithm that actually automatically cuts off noise from the background when you're actually talking through the microphone, which is going to reduce up to 90% noise, giving you full noise suppression of about 95%.
Hey, what's going on? So this is the microphones on the ACEFAST AceClip Pro. Let me know what you guys think about the audio quality right now, but this is just an outdoor environment with a little bit of wind in the background, so you should be able to hear me pretty clearly. Yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick sample of what it would sound like in an outdoor environment. But yeah, it's actually, the sun is setting, as you can see right behind me, and I just wanted to capture what it would sound like right now while I'm talking outside. I'm by the water, and yeah, it's a beautiful day. Definitely think that these have a pretty good sound quality when it comes to the overall listening experience. So this is going to give you that increased bass algorithm, which is going to also be punchy and allow you to hear your outdoor surroundings as well, so you can focus on not only the music but also your outdoor surroundings. But let me know what you guys think about this quick audio test from the ACEFAST, the ACEFAST AceClip Pro, and this is just a quick sound test in an outdoor environment. So on a scale of 1 to 10, let me know what you guys think about the microphones on here, okay?
So yeah, let me know how the microphone sounded in that quick sound test. But yeah, another advantage that the AceClip Pros have is the patented Sono Loop technology, which directs sound precisely. It's going to cut off leakage from the AceClip headphones so that it'll maximize your listening experience while minimizing any other people from hearing the music that you're listening to. I also think that when it comes to the listening experience, you're getting a good amount of bass coming from these open ear style headphones, which is something you don't normally hear when it comes to AceClip design headphone. So now let's talk about some of the disadvantages, and these are going to be very nitpicky. One of the things I did notice is that when you connect the earphones inside of the case, the magnets sit at the top, and so when you take them out and put them in, the logo is upside down, except when you actually put the left and the right and the right and the left. So this is kind of a design flaw, because if you're really, pet peeving over that, then it can get annoying. So I actually wear them in the opposite ear to have the logo upright. And the other thing is centered towards functionality and design, is that with a physical button you wouldn't have any mistouches, and it would make it a lot easier to hit the buttons more intentionally. But yeah, I definitely think overall these are going to be a solid pair of open ear earphones when it comes to the control over the music. You're also getting a very nice punchy, bassy, and clear, rich, detailed audio experience from these earphones, which is hard to find, especially for this price point. And so I definitely think there's very little compromise overall. But let me know what you guys think about the AceFAST AceClip earphone pros in the comments. And if you're still here, just type down in the comments, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. I'll hit you back. Namaste.